GlamDollz, super excited to share with you all some Dollar Tree skincare items I'll be using. First thing up is Skin Nutrition's 1% hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum. I'll also be using the Global Beauty Care Liquid Gold Gel Face Mask. Here's what it's looking like outside of its packaging. That is the liquid gold within that jar. I'll also be using these microfiber facial washcloths, which has been a godsend to my skincare routine. And I will be utilizing this hot bowl of water. So let's get started. I'm going to start out with the Global Beauty Care Liquid Gold Gel Face Mask. It does come with its own applicator, but I'm not using that. I'm going to use my fingertips and apply this generously all over my face. Now, when it comes to Global Beauty Care, they are a trusted brand. This mask is an anti-aging 15-minute facial therapy treatment. It is infused with gold, and it's known to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also firms and tones your skin, and it also gives intense hydration. Okay, it smooths and softens your skin, and it's like giving you the ultimate luxury spa experience, but right in the comfort of your own home. So I'm gonna set my timer for 15 minutes as it indicates on the box. It's a 15-minute facial therapy. So 15 minutes later, and voila, here's what it's looking like. I must say, I am impressed. I'm going to go ahead and take the microfiber facial washcloth and begin removing this liquid gold mask by dipping the microfiber facial cloth into the very hot water. That water is really hot. And then I'm going to place the washcloth on my face and just allow it to sit there for, a couple of seconds so the warmth of the washcloth can penetrate deep into my skin. And I'm going to begin removing the liquid gold face mask in an upward motion to the best of my ability. I'm going to remove this by going in an upward motion away from gravity, and I'm going to remove all traces of the mask from my face. And I must admit, my skin does appear to seem a lot brighter. I'm very impressed with this mask, I kid you not. So next up was the most exciting find of all. The hyaluronic acid is 1% right there. It also has vitamin C. And the purpose of this hyaluronic acid, it also helps to it has a clinical formula to improve my skin texture, the clarity of my skin. It also gives intense moisture because of the vitamin C. It helps with skin discoloration. Okay, it's also anti-aging, and it can soften and diminish fine lines and wrinkles and sunspots along with sun damage. So once I get this on the perimeters of my face, I'm going to blend in an upward motion, being sure to go against gravity. And I got to admit, this serum has really been giving me a lot of noticeable results lately. I must say I'm impressed with it, especially since it was available in my local Dollar Tree. So as I apply this serum, dolls, this is going to conclude the video. I'm very impressed with this. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, as I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.